This 2005 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5230 is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bath. This 2005 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5230 is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.